you've got to ask yourself, what can your wetsuit do for you?
Stay in this puddle for a year, or 2, or 3, or 4. I'll catch the drips. I'll catch the drips.
So, I recommend to all of you, just go get your wetsuits, and just get out there, and just have fun. You can't let the rain stop you from having fun, okay? I might get pneumonia, but at least I'm having fun. Go Madonna, go Madonna, go. Okay, now I'm completely numb, so I feel it's only fair to say goodbye. And I would just like to thank you all for watching the Missy Rain video take 2. And remember, the rain is your friend, drive safely, and only plane it if you have a wetsuit, because otherwise you'll be really cold. I mean, I'm really cold right now, but it could be worse. It could be sopping wet. But I'm not, just my head is. And that's all. So, okay. Go rain. The rain is your friend. Yeah. Goodbye.